Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2004 Land Rover Range Rover HSE. It is a clean Carfax and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, side vents, deep tinted glass, and much more. Designed and engineered by BMW, the Range Rover offers an optimum blend of on-road comfort and off-road capability in a stylish and well-trimmed package. This Land Rover has 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare and a low-pressure tire warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Land Rover is in great condition. It has bi-xenon headlamps with power washers and wipers, along with fog lights, parking sensors, and a really nice grille with the Range Rover badging to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Land Rover has 4-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26.4-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Land Rover only has 99,710 miles on it. At the back of the Land Rover, you can see the split tailgate, the rear wiper and the tow package, along with the parking sensors, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features a cargo cover and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Land Rover has been well taken care of. Passengers can use the power outlet as well as the back seat storage. These seats are even heated, and there are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice burled walnut interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating with memory. You'll have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Land Rover is also equipped with the garage door opener, a security system, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks, and the power windows. This Land Rover has a very comfortable power tilting and telescoping leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your entertainment and navigation features and is paired with 15 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a 6-disc CD changer, and external devices are easy to connect. You also have tri-zone climate control, and everything that you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.